welcome back to day 7 of the 15 Days of Beatles Socks Advent Calendar. I honestly have no predictions at this point. I have been wrong every single time I've tried to make one. I give up. So we're just going in. We're just going in. It is a blue background, red heart. Good color combo for my lucky number 7. Come on, be something good. If I can actually get the perforated lines to perforate would be great. Yeah, instead of trying to do it upright, I've just got it on my lap. It's working a lot better that way, so may have to do that in the future. Okay, yeah, rip to that side. Never mind. So, okay. Ooh, I see blue. I see faces. Those are always nice. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. So, it's the picture from the front of the box. That's actually really cute. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. And you've got them on both sides. So from the top, it's kind of interesting to look at, but from the side, it's like, oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's pretty good. I like that. All right. Wait. Are they? Oh, it's flipped images from one side to the other. Because I was like, are they making different faces on each one? No, they just mirror flipped it. I'm dumb. Okay. Those are really cute. Okay. That's one of my favorite pairs I've gotten so far yet. Those are really, really, really cute. And even though it's not yellow sub, I do get yellow sub vibes off of this color combo. So, you know, I'm still happy. So, anyways, that is it for this one, guys. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it and get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating, the donation link is down in the description too. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.